So far we basically completed Dale's entire empennage, which is his horizontal, his vertical, his rudder, and his elevator, which is, you know, all your tail components. So just those 4 pieces. And it's just clicking and riveting all the ribs together, and then you go ahead and skin each piece, and you have to make sure each of those are like level and aligned before you go ahead and rivet. So that's a whole process, but that's completely done. And what we were working on today is trying to get Dale's whole wing rocking and rolling. So we've got his main spar here. This is his right wing. We went through this morning and just made sure each of these countersinks were, you know, properly at the proper depth. So that's why you'll see a couple of them are different colors, because they weren't quite deep enough from the factory. So we go through and we make sure each of them are as deep as they need to be, and then we'll allodyne them so that they're still corrosion treated. So that's done, and then we went ahead and we built up a bunch of his ribs. So each rib has their own configuration, and once they're done, we can basically put the jigs on the main spar, flip it over, and then we can line up all the ribs in their respective order. But essentially, each rib is going to fit into these sections of holes you'll see all the way down, and they're spaced properly. So as we get closer to the wing root, obviously they're closer together. The reason being, that's where you're going to walk. So it's got to be stronger. Yeah, so they basically just go on just like that, and you'll see them all, you know, in their respective orders all the way down. And the jigs, so again, upside down, so the arrows are going to be upside down. But this will go on like that, and there's bolts that'll go through here to fasten it. And back here is where the rear spar will go. So you'll have basically, well, really it will go on the other way, but you'll have basically like this rear spar, and then in between are all your ribs. And then skin on top, skin on bottom.
Hey friend, thanks for watching this video all the way to the end. We appreciate it very much. We'd also appreciate it if you could like and subscribe to our channel so we can grow this out and make some more content like this for you to enjoy in the future. Thanks for watching.